How to delete your Facebook account on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily delete your Facebook account on both Android and iPhone after the latest update. Now after the latest update, deleting your account has become a little bit complicated. Let me guide you through. First and foremost, what you want to do is you want to simply open up your Facebook. Now you can see I'll just tap on open and I should open up Facebook here. Make sure you're logged into your account that you want to delete. Next thing what you want to do is at the bottom of your screen there you can see the menu option at the bottom right corner. You want to simply tap on the menu option. Now here what you want to do is you want to tap on the gear icon or the settings icon that you can find at the top right corner of your screen beside the search icon there. You know, simply tap on it, and once you tap on it you should get an interface like this. Now you can see Meta and Account Center there at the very top, or if you don't find it here at the top, if you scroll all the way down below you should be able to see it at the bottom of your screen. It's either the top or the bottom. You want to simply tap on the Meta option there and you should get an interface like this. Now here you can see various options. You can see account personal details and all such. You want to simply tap on personal details option. Under personal details you can see the last option, account ownership and control, right? You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it you can see the memorialization option, and below it you can see deactivation or deletion. You want to simply tap on deactivation and deletion. Then you want to choose the account that you want to delete, and you can see here you can either, if you want to delete your account, simply tap on delete account and make sure the blue check mark or blue tick is on the delete account option, and then simply tap on continue. And once you tap on continue there it will ask you for certain credentials, and after you enter them you'll be able to delete your account. So this way you can delete your Facebook account on iPhone after the latest update. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.